What is up? Half-Baked Beard here, and
Kadance!
And we've got not just beard mail. Today we have motherfucking beard mail from
Honyocker Beard Co.
Rocking that. That's right. So I have one set that somebody gave me, the two-fisted, and then not too long ago, a great buddy of mine, Cody, Seabreeze Bearded, sent me over some Yock products to test out. Got some bareback co-wash, then body language butter and oil. Then the other night during Seth, I think, Iowa Crafted, he had Adam on there. Decided it's a good time to get the Memoirs. I've heard so much good shit about this. If y'all haven't tried out the Honyocker, Adam over there is tearing shit up. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh, that's nothing.
What?
Ooh.
Okay.
Damn, that smells nice.
Josh, my dude.
No shit.
Memoirs. Hope you dig.
And
Adam.
he's got a really nice blend. It's a whole oil, sweet almond, avocado, argan, castor, vitamin, fragrance, and essential blend. But I'll tell you what, man, makes you feel so nice. Your beard's so nice. It's got this nice, like, light golden color. And his stuff is definitely medium thick to thick, but I love it, especially this time of year where it's all cold outside and shit.
Is that called
Oh
Memories?
man.
Oh, that smells so good.
Oh.
Can I take some?
Hold on. Then we got the Memoirs butter.
Oh, I thought it was Memories.
Memoirs. And again, Adams with his butter is so nice. It doesn't like crinkle out of the way. It just kind of like pushes because it's nice and soft. And then, I mean, just disappears. There's very few companies that have as smooth as butter as Adam. Adam's butter's got that smoothness. Awesome! Hell yeah! Dude, I cannot wait. And he's always got the baddest ass fucking stickers. Check out that. Fucking sweet. Hell yeah. Fucking rocking that Yock. Hell yes. Awesome. Hell yeah. I cannot wait to get this shit in beard. Probably gonna go with the butter in tonight. Most definitely. But awesome. Well, thank you guys so much. Have a great fucking night. Stay baked.
And
Stay bearded.
Subscribe if you're new. Hit the notification bell down there. And there will be this huge thumbs up. Click it.
Have a great day.